So now we had some fun. Gotta put some gas back in this bitch. So time to fill her up. So one thing, you gotta have money, man. You gotta do your thing. So time to put the gas back in the car. Let's see how much it is to fill her up with this new high ass gas price. Let's see what we're talking about. All right, let's see what's the magic number going to be. See that, man? $3.69 for plus, man. It's crazy. Car looking good though. Yeah, man, $3.69, bro. Gas price is crazy out here, man. They trying to hurt us. $3.07 for regular. You know, only reason why they doing it is because it's summertime. Everybody trying to travel. Everybody trying to drive somewhere. I'm thinking it should be like high 50s. You gotta pay to have fun, bro. It's crazy. Car looking good though, man. So yeah, I can't wait to do the spaces. I gotta do the spaces in the front. Get that front looking right. Dirty again. So we're gonna see. Yeah. She's still going. 39, we at 40. Be high 50s, I bet you. High 50s. Let's see what we got. Gotta be high 50s, man. It's a nice, cool day today. Cool. Today's cool, man. It ain't hot. It ain't humid. It's just cool. So we call it, this is that boost weather. It's that turbo weather. Oh, okay. Low 50s. Low 50s. Not bad. Not bad. I could do that. I could do that. I could do that. All right, and that's it. We're done. Bring her back home. Go eat and go chill with the family. See what I'm talking about? Can't do this with the family, man. I gotta do this by myself. This is selfish. You see what I'm dealing with? Look in the back. You can't put nobody back there, man. Look at that. You can't put nobody back there. There ain't no leg room. I got 3 kids, bro. There's not even a middle seat, man. I get arrested. That's what I'm talking about. You can't have fun, man. I only could have fun by myself. I only could go out and have ice cream by myself, man. I can't have fun with my family. I can't go out and have ice cream with my family, man. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Like, I don't know, man. Should I sell it? Should I get rid of it? Should I trade it? It's not even sell it. Should I trade it in? Should I trade it in, man? Let me know. Should I trade it in? I want to know. I think that's going to be the next video, man. Should I trade my Shelby Gt350 for a F80 M3? Oh, that would be nice. 4-door. Make easy power. It's going to be my next video. Yeah, that's going to be my next video. But yeah, guys, man. That's it. That's the fun for today. I didn't want to do too much talking while I'm, you know, enjoying the sound of the exhaust. So please make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you guys will be alerted when I upload my videos. And please hit that like button. See you guys in the next video, man. Peace.